Hi children, so we came back to our EVS class. Today we are going to learn about how the parts of the body help us. After this class, you will be able to explain how different parts of the bodies help us to do different things. Describes how we are different from each other. Children, do you remember what we have learned in the last class? Yes, we have learned about body parts. Can you name some of the body parts? Yes. So look at the picture and name the body parts. When you are reading, just repeat after me. Head, hair, ears, mouth, shoulders, hand, arm, fingers, leg, ankle, foot, eyes, nose, teeth, neck, chest, elbow, thumb, wrist, knee, toes. Children, today, before starting our class, let us enjoy a rhyme.
I've got the rhythm in my bottom.
Bottom! Do-ta-do-do-ta-do, ta-do-do-ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I've got the rhythm in my elbows. Elbows!
I've got the rhythm in my knees.
Knees! I've got the rhythm in my feet. Stomp, feet!
I've got the rhythm in my eyes.
Eyes! I've got the rhythm all over. Oh yeah! I've got the rhythm all over.
Hoo-ha!
I've got the rhythm all over. 1, 2, 3. I've got the rhythm all over. And freeze. Tap. Do-ta-do-do-ta-do. Ta-do-do-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Wow!
Children, do you like it? Do you want to see once more? So, watch it.
Do-ta-do-do-ta-do. Ta-do-do-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Do-ta-do-do-ta-do. Ta-do-do-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I've got the rhythm in my head. Head.
I've got the rhythm in my shoulders.
Shoulders. I've got the rhythm in my hands. Clap, hands.
I've got the rhythm in my bottom.
Bottom. Do-ta-do-do-ta-do. Ta-do-do-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I've got the rhythm in my elbows. Elbows.
I've got the rhythm in my knees.
Knees. I've got the rhythm in my feet. Stomp, feet.
I've got the rhythm in my eyes.
Eyes. I've got the rhythm all over. Oh yeah. I've got the rhythm all over.
Hoo-ha!
I've got the rhythm all over. 1, 2, 3. I've got the rhythm all over. And freeze. Tap. Do-ta-do-do-ta-do. Ta-do-do-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Wow!
Today, we are going to learn about how do parts of the body help us. Children, can you say which part of your body helps you to eat? Yes, correct. It's a mouth. Mouth helps only for eating? No. When we want to speak with others, when we want to speak with your friends, we are using a mouth. If you want to sing a song, we are using a mouth. So, mouth helps us to eat, speak, and also to sing. So, remember children, mouth helps us to eat, speak and sing. Now, look at the pictures. Mouth helps us to eat. Mouth helps us to speak. Mouth helps us to sing. Children, can you clap your hands? Louder, I can't hear. Yes, we are clapping our hands with our hands. When you are writing something, which part of your body we are using? We are using our hands. So, hands help us to clap, write. Then for any other thing? Yes, for drawing. And if we want to hold a book or pen, we are using our hands. So, hands helps us to clap, write, draw and hold things. So, listen children, mouth helps us to eat, speak and sing. Then hands help us to clap, write, draw and hold things. Now look at the pictures. Hands help us to draw. Hands help us to write. Hands help us to clap. Then hands help us to hold things. Now children, all of you stand up and jump. Can you jump? So which part of your body helps you to jump? Yes, correct. It's our legs. Legs helps us to jump. Only for jumping? No. Can you say? When you are running, you are using your legs. If you want to play football, we are using our legs. So, legs help us to jump, run, walk and play. When we want to go from one place to another, we are using our legs for walking. So, look at the pictures there. Legs help us to run. Legs help us to walk. Legs help us to jump. Legs help us to play. Children, now can you see the picture? Can you see what that child is doing? Yes, the child is bending legs. So, can you bend like that? Sure? Okay. So, we can bend our legs with the help of our knees. So, knees help us to bend our legs. So, children remember, knees help us to bend our legs. Knees help us to bend our legs. Can you repeat after me? Knees help us to bend our legs. Now children, can you show your arms? Can you show? Then what is this? This is your elbow. What is this? This is an elbow. Can you bend your arms like this? Yes, very good. So, these elbows help us to bend our arms. Now, see the picture. Children, did you understand? Yes, so today we learned that mouth helps us to eat, speak and sing. Then hands help us to clap, write, draw and hold things. Then legs help us to jump, run, walk and play. Knees help us to bend our legs. Elbows, that one help us to bend our arms. Children, we all know that we all are different from each other. Look at your friends. Some of your friends may be taller and some may be short. Some of your friends may be fat and others will be thin. Some may be having black color hair and some may be having brown. So children, now look at the picture, you can see the difference. So children, shall we revise once more? Okay. The different parts of our body help us to do different things such as walk, run, read and so on. Our mouth helps us to eat, speak and sing. Our hands help us to draw, write, clap and hold things. Our legs help us to run, walk, jump and play. Our knees help us to bend our legs. Our elbows help us to bend our arms. We all are different from each other. Children, can you answer a few questions? Look at the slide. How do the following parts of the body help us? Legs, do you know? Then mouth, elbows. Now there is an assignment for you. Draw or stick the pictures of any three parts of our body. You have to do both the worksheet and assignment in your notebook. Children, did you understand? So we will come back. Thank you and have a nice day.